factory I/O. This is lab 3, Mechatronics at Clover Park. So I've got my main here. I'm on the main window. I've got my factory I/O settings. I don't know if you need this or not, but I deleted it and it still ran. I think they say you need it though. I've got an auto function, a manual mode function, a stop function, a counter, and my main function box is down here, which is a little different than lab 3 is asking for, but I'm ahead and deconstructing some of this, I think. All right, so let's go look at the different functions. For this one, they want a sequence and they want auto. So let's go to the sequence and we'll go ahead and turn this thing on to auto, get it running. Might be annoying while I talk, but whatever. So there's step 1. We'll go ahead and turn on the watch table so we can see what's going as we're going. Here's step 2 is firing right now. And then we're on to step 3. It's got a timer. It's going there for 2 seconds. I set 3 up a little different. Let's go ahead and pause this guy for a second. So as we're going through these steps, we've got it coming in as an initialized start, moves from 1 to sequence 1. Sequences are on the top, manual steps are on the bottom. And then it goes into system stop can shut it down for the auto mode. The manual doesn't really need that because it's 1 step at a time. And then we have our function block here for steps. I've got the sequence number is completed, and then I have a conditions met, and then it kicks out to the timer, runs the timer through, and then goes into a move box, which takes us from 2 down, or from 1 down to 2. And I'm running out of my trial period on TIA portal. Ends tomorrow. So then now we're on step 2. It goes through here. I'll go ahead and let it run here as we're talking so you can kind of see it. It's going to be annoying though. So there's step 2 lit up. Doesn't use the manual leg at that point. And then it moved down. It's going to step 3. Runs the 2 seconds. Kicks over to 4. There's the 4, step 4. Then it kicks out the conditions. So I was setting up a little bit of an error thing here. So we've got our conditions met, and then it'll fire off instead of having it in the main one. Not sure if that works, but basically it goes through here, gets my conditions met, and then conditions are met is active. It allows the timer to start and move through. Kind of my way of stopping it if conditions aren't met, but I haven't been able to figure out a way to not meet the conditions. So I'm going to have to figure out some way to make it fail. Yeah, so that's it for the sequence.